guys have that? 30-something%.
Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a little icy in Chicago this morning, and many people are looking at the extended forecast, looking for warmer and drier conditions across the Midwest, which will be welcomed after this cold and snowy February. As far as the markets are concerned, overnight we started everything higher. Now beans are about 2 cents lower. I think the market is trying to come around to the fact that without any more disruption in Brazil's supply, that the outlook for 2015 larger world soybean supply should offer some resistance to the market. We did see some of the farm advisors yesterday suggesting that farmers should dump more of their old crop soybeans on this surprise rally. Corn and wheat's up a little bit. I think the markets are still trying to digest the conflicting inputs between the nearby markets, which are negative with large supply, versus the deferred markets, which could be supportive if U.S. And world production is down a little bit from last year. As far as other markets, we're seeing a little profit taking in the stock market. The dollar's up a little bit. Crude was up a little bit. Not a lot of big volume today on this Tuesday. We will be watching pretty closely as we get closer to the end of the month. March 31st acreage and stocks report. And stocks are supposed to show a little bit higher stocks, especially in corn, than maybe the average guess is, and that might offer some resistance to the nearby markets. And over in the acres, we're trying to gauge whether or not the USDA's initial estimate of acres are correct, down about 4 million acres, total acres from a year ago. We are looking at some of the crop insurance data, and the February prices are out. If we look at the ratio of beans to corn, it kind of favors corn a little bit, and if farmers dump their 12 corn yields, it actually favors corn even more. So there are some people that are trying to say that if you look at the crop insurance data, farmers cut costs just a little bit. They could plant the same amount of acres next year as last. The only difference is you could see some wheat, cotton, and rice acres switch to sorghum and beans. So we're just a little bit lower in beans, a little bit higher in corn and wheat. Pretty quiet trade for a Tuesday. And hopefully the extended weather models are correct and we get into a warmer and drier pattern here in the U.S. Midwest. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.